Okay. 7 acres?
37 acres.
37?
Yeah.
Wow. What will you do with that?
We're going to put accommodation on it for
Okay.
like homestays.
Yeah.
For the, you know, the Hazan Loop.
Yeah.
People go on motorbikes.
Yeah.
It's very close to that, so we'll put accommodation on it.
So your wife
quite good.
Your wife is in there or here?
No, she's here.
Oh,
she's been here for about 20 years.
Okay. But she's Vietnamese?
Yes. Yeah, I met her here.
Because she couldn't have dual citizenship, yeah?
Yeah, she got dual citizenship. It's only new that they can get dual citizenship in Vietnam. Only the last couple of years.
Yeah. For me, if I change, become Australian, I cannot buy.
Yeah, I know.
You know, it's really hard to buy a property.
It used to be like that in Vietnam, but not anymore.
Oh, not anymore.
No.
Wow.
They've changed it and have dual citizenship.
That's good.
Same, I'm dual citizen now.
And Vietnam is now is getting better, you know.
Oh yeah.
In Southeast Asia.
It's very good now. I love it.
Yeah. Even Indonesia is, you know. I think now Vietnam is better.
I went,
For the investment, tourists.
Well, this farm we've got is way up in price from when we bought it.
Yeah.
We're developing all round about it,
Yeah.
which is good for us, you know.
I like Vietnamese food
Yeah,
compared
me
to
too.
Thailand.
I lived in Thailand for 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah. 1999 to 2004.
Wow. Oh, you enjoy that?
Yes, very much. I was teaching there.
Ah, what did you teach?
Engineering.
Oh, wow. So now you didn't teach anymore?
No, I'm semi-retired now. Just taking things easy now. Playing lots of golf and taking it easy. Probably retire over in Vietnam in a year or so.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Alright.
It's quite good because I get a 5-year visa at a time for Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah, I get 5 years visa.
And you can stay home how much? How long maximum?
5 years.
I mean like one multiple entry?
Yeah, 5 years. I can stay for 5 years, or I can go back and forward as many times as I like.
Okay, this looks like permanent resident.
Yeah, it's near enough, yeah. I can get permanent resident if I want it,
Yeah.
but not at the moment I want.
Okay.
We'll rent out the house here. The house we have here we can put up for rent
Yeah.
and go and live in Vietnam.
Okay. I went to Hanoi. It was winter. It was cold and good.
Yeah, it's very hot there just now.
Yeah. Not like a lot of snow. I think there's no snow there.
No.
Only in Sapa, yeah.
Well, we're going to Sapa.
Okay.
We'll be there.
Only in Sapa, but it was cold. Like here.
And we've got one. Yeah, but it's summer just now, so it won't be cold just now.
Yeah.
And we will also go a 1 week in China.
Oh.
We've got a tour China. So I've not been to China before. So
Yeah.
that'll be quite good.
You're doing by flight or?
Yeah, we fly from Vietnam to China.
Vietnam, okay.
And then it's 5 days.
Not by bus.
Different places. No.
Because many Chinese people, you know, going to Vietnam by bus.
Yes, yeah. Our farm's not too. It's about 200 kilometers from Chinese border.
Okay.
But we'll be flying from Hanoi to China.
Yeah. Halong Bay now is dirty or not?
Well, there's been some business that's now closed down was dumping plastic into it.
Yeah.
But I think they've stopped it and they're in the process of cleaning it up, which is absolutely bloody ridiculous, you know.
Yeah.
They believe it was deliberately done. I don't know, that's just the story I heard, you know.
Yeah.
Oopsie. Last time went to Halong Bay was, well, for my wife went last year, but I went the year before.
Yeah.
And it was beautiful and it was nice and clean and no problem.
They have like many cities are different, good, you know.
Yeah.
For the tourists.
Different, yeah, of course, yeah.
Even when we travel from Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi,
Yeah.
every city was good. So we have to visit every city.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, there's lots of places are nice, from Wahe to just many of them.
How about Perth? Do you like Perth?
Yeah, I don't mind it. I've been here for 37 years. I came from UK. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I came in 1987. Long time. 37 years.
You still have family in UK?
One brother.
Okay. Will he move? No?
Nah. He wanted to move, but his wife doesn't want to leave her family.
Okay.
But he wishes he did move, you know.
So why did you choose here?
My first wife, my ex-wife, her brother lived in Perth. So we just thought we'd come here and see what it was like.
Yeah.
And just stayed.
Okay.
See, it was easy then for British to come here, you know.
Yeah, of course.
It's basically Australia, still part of the British Empire.
Very far. How long you go to?
It's about 26 hours.
26? Crazy. Me 4 hours already, like, you know, complaining.
They do a direct flight. Qantas do a direct flight
Really?
to London.
Wow.
18 hours direct.
Wow. Direct. 18 hours on the plane.
It's a long
Wow.
time. A very long time.
That will be tough.
I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do the direct flight. I think you need a break in the middle of a flight.
Yeah.
Like that. You can either go via Dubai.
I think they will switch the pilot, yeah?
Oh, they've got 3 pilots on the.
Okay.
They've got 3. And yes, they take turns each getting a rest, you know.
Yeah.
2 captains and a first officer.
Uh-huh.
So what you have to do
That's it.
book another flight for tomorrow.
Yeah. I
This
have
one here?
to go home. Yeah.
Oh, that one there.
Yeah.
Good luck with it.